welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are doing a comfy, cozy little Christmas haul. I wanted to show you guys just a few things I've recently bought decoration wise for the house, because I am very shortly decorating my house in its full Christmas attire, aka Santa's actual North Pole grotto. And I wanted to show you all the new bits I got. I do have very many Christmas decorations already that I've collected over the last 2 years since moving out. Stuff I'm showing you today is just the very new things, and when I do Christmas decor house tour and Christmas decorate with me video, you will see the extent of my Christmas obsession. The decorations I'm going to show you today are mainly from places like ALDI and Homesense and TKMaxx, places like that. Really nice and affordable pieces for your home that I'm absolutely in love with. Okay guys, so sit back, relax, grab your shopping list because you might see something you want to pick up today. I do actually have two very exciting videos coming up on my channel. One on Thursday, which is another food Christmas video, and on Sunday I also have another Christmas decor haul plus Christmas tree decoration. Also, if you're new, my name is Sophie. I make 3 videos on this channel every single week on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays, all about living your best life on a budget. Don't forget to subscribe because you don't want to miss out on the best videos here on YouTube. No, I'm only joking. They're not, I mean, they are the best. And grab your cup of teas. Make sure it's in a Christmassy mug because it's November now. And let's go. ALDI actually had such a good range of Christmas decor at the moment, and I'm probably going to go back and get a few more pieces that I have seen that I love in the special buys area. But the first thing I actually did purchase was this ho 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 sign, which I flipping love. It looks so good in the office. It's a little LED light up ho 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 sign. It's white, it's clean, it's Christmassy, and it's made out of wood. Something like that I can use over and over again. This was only £8.99. In a garden centre or somewhere like that that sells similar things, they are so expensive. I also found the Noel one. You may have seen these in my Christmas food videos. I'm going to be putting this downstairs in my kitchen, and it's going to live on my windowsill because it looks really nice just with a candle next to it. And the fact that the kitchen is like very neutral and white, it just looks really nice just glowing in the background, just to have it on all the time. So this is another one, again only £8.99, and the batteries are included. I also from ALDI, which I'm so excited about, picked up this light up wooden advent calendar. How nice is this? So it's white again, which I've really liked. It's kind of giving me like the Nordic Christmas vibes. It's all made out of wood, and it's one of the advent calendars that you can put your own things in. So I think I will do one between Lawrence and I, and I'll put a chocolate in each day. Something like this will last forever. £9.99. There is something very similar in John Lewis, which is, let me tell you, triple the price. By the way, sorry if I'm a little bit nasally. I'm not very well. Just very annoying. I've gone this whole year without really getting ill, and now I'm getting ill. Great. Now I love this. You have to let me know honestly what you think about this, but I love it. So basically it looks like a Christmas frame with a family kind of inside the frame singing, and there's like snow and lights. It might be a little bit tacky. Like any kind of Christmas tacky is good tacky in my opinion, and I just thought this was so cute. I absolutely love anything that kind of has lots of lights in it and lights up. I basically around Christmas survive off of fairy lights. This just looks so cute, looks so Christmassy. It's basically a little Christmas scene. It was £30. I have seen these are available on Amazon, so I will link one down below for you. This gorgeous hand painted glass, I really like this. It would be so nice to just have on the windowsills in my house with a little tea light in, because it's painted in such gorgeous colours. It's going to be a really nice reflection when there's a little tea light candle in there. I just really liked it. It was actually £9.99, which isn't cheap considering all the stuff from ALDI was like £9.99 and under. A tea light on steroids. I am not joking. Have you ever seen a little tea like that big? Okay, I also picked up Emma Bridgewater crackers. So these are little crackers for this year. I do have to have crackers every single year. Yes, I love anything Emma Bridgewater. I really like her mugs. I have a lot of her mugs. I just love her homeware. I think it's really nice. And I thought these crackers are like really nice and classy, but also kind of traditional Christmas looking. So only £7.99 in Homesense. They had so many crackers, by the way, so if you do want some, I would go and check them out. Okay, Homesense, if you don't know, you need to get to know, is very, very good at cushions. I did pick a few up today. The first one I picked up was this gorgeous one, which I love, and it's this "'Twas the Night Before" Christmas cushion. So it basically is the start of the famous poem. It has like gorgeous patterns on, like knitted patterns on, like presents, Father Christmas, Christmas stockings, a mouse, holly and ivy. Just looks so nice. And then on this side, red polka dots with like a creamy white colour behind it. It's quite a big cushion, to be honest. This is from the brand Well Dressed Home. But it's probably, I would say it's one of like the 70 by 70 ones. Like, it's quite a big cushion. £14.99, not bad. I also picked up this cushion, which is a nutcracker cushion. I love this. It's very much classic Christmas in my opinion. Like, it looks quite old fashioned, which is what I like. I like really traditional Christmas. And it has like a nice red back, really nice feeling cushion. It's probably like a medium size. It's a little bit smaller than the one before, and this was £12.99. Then I picked up this kind of like similar to the nutcracker cushion, because these I think will go on my sofa. This cushion was also £12.99, and it's got lots of like different things on it. So Christmas tree, hearts, rabbits, deer, holly and berry, and whatnot. Just Christmassy goodness. Also from Homesense, I picked up these cookie cutters because it's Christmas now, which means I need to make many things which are unhealthy for me, including cookies and muffins and cakes. I wanted to do like a Christmas bake with me video, maybe even a couple throughout this period. If you do want to see that, let me know. It'll probably be around December time that I will be doing those types of videos. Lovely, cozy, Christmassy bake with me's, because December is all about baking all the sweets and all the treats. This was £3.49. Also from Homesense, I picked up these gorgeous towels, and these are going to be my bathroom towels this winter. This basically just says Hello Christmas, and it's got a knitted deer in, and it's very Christmassy and I love it. It's actually from a brand called Ellsworth Avenue, and I really want to check out their website now. These were £7.99. They're white towels, and they're just such nice quality, by the way. Like, I recommend. This has to be one of my favourite purchases. I'm not joking. It's a little reindeer scrub. This is what I love about Homesense. They have every little piece of your home covered, even little sink scrubs. I really like these actually. I like that they're circular because they're great for washing out bowls. And I always get my dish brushes from Homesense because they are always really good. This was only £3.99. I picked up a new mug, and honestly I absolutely love this. Look how nice this is. It's basically a massive mug. It's so big. I feel like it's going to be the most perfect hot chocolate mug because the surface area is huge, aka more marshmallows and shaved chocolate on top. It's just a nice like kind of matte white mug, and it has ho 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 with a little red hat. It came with a bell. I mean, its label had a bell on. It was £3.99. They did actually have other versions of these, which I kind of want now. This is also going to be my go-to mug this Christmas. I cannot resist. New throw, yes, what is my problem? But this throw is absolutely gorgeous. I can't tell you how soft it is. It's a red and white checked throw. I thought it would go great on my bed. I have actually been absolutely loving my bedding at the moment. Casper, like a bedding company, they sent me a brand new luxury duvet and the duvet cover, and it is utterly beautiful. If you are looking for a new duvet, I would go to Casper and maybe try out their merino. Absolute heaven. Like, I've never slept as well as I have. It's a down and wool duvet and everything is ethically sourced. So if you want to read into it, just go on to Casper. They haven't asked me to say this or include this in the video. I just wanted to tell you because I need to tell everyone how blooming good that duvet is. When I have the white duvet cover, I want to have something at the end of the bed just to give it colour, as well as some colourful cushions. And I thought this would be really nice because the headboard of my bed is grey and then red obviously for Christmas. It was only £16.99. Honestly, as for everywhere I've found, the best quality throws are always in Homesense. An oven glove, because you just need Christmassy attire in your kitchen when it's Christmas. I just really like this. It's different types of sheep and goat, I think, with Christmassy patterns on them, and they just look so cute. I will say though, there are very, very similar things right now in the middle aisle in Lidl. So if you do want something similar to this, I would actually first of all look in Lidl, because I think it was cheaper than £3.50. But yeah, I like this anyway. I know that Amazon do very, very similar things to this, so I will link them down below because they're really affordable on Amazon. Also called candle rings. It's like a wreath around an area you can put your candle through, and I really just want every single candle in my house to be surrounded by Christmas wreath. It's really good actually because it already has like a container inside it, so I can just put my candles inside this, which is really good. So this was £7.99, which is probably around the same price as the Amazon ones, maybe a little bit more expensive. I picked up the two cutest little felt robins. I'm really into felt things at the moment. They're like so cute, and robins are one of my favorite birds ever. I just absolutely love them, and I have so many at the moment flying around my garden, and it makes me so happy because robins to me are like messages from heaven. And they were both £3.99. I'm thinking I might put these in the kitchen. You'll have to see where I put them when I do my little home tour. Also, to go with my new baking stuff, I picked up some cupcake holders. I love these so much. These are only £2.99. One that's candy cane stripes and one with little Christmas patterns on, like trees, stockings, North Pole presents and all of that. There's 48 in this. So two new candles from TKMaxx. Actually a gift from Lawrence's mum, but they're from TKMaxx and I really wanted to include them in today's video because they're Christmas smells. So one of them is warm cinnamon and clove. This candle, I can't tell you how nice this smells. Oh, that is exactly what Christmas is. And I also love that it's this size because it's going to be my bathroom candle. There is nothing better than having a nice relaxing bath with a candle burning, like a lovely Christmassy smell. I just can't wait. And the other candle is this one, which is from DW Homes. I always go on about DW Home candles, they are the best. And this is Winter Pine and Balsam, and it smells literally like a Christmas tree. So I'm very happy with those candles. I also picked up this really cute mason jar. This I was thinking either it could have my tea bags in, or it could have the coffee granules in, or even better, I could have the flour in when I'm doing my baking. I really like this because it looks hand painted and it just looks so nice. This was only £3.99. I picked up an array of cards because Homesense is really good for cards. Meowie Christmas, and it has a cat with Christmas lights on. I got a specific one for my dad. I got a nice one like that. I got this one, which is personally one of my faves, and it's a cat on top of a tree and it says I'm a star. And on the subject of cats, I picked up these, which are little gift boxes for your cats, and they're from a brand called Cupid and Comet. Am I okay? Cupid and Comet. It has turkey treats, chicken treats, duck treats, and little bouncy balls in there. Everything is 100% natural, like there's no coloring's been added to these treats. They're just like natural treats for your cats. Picked up 4 of these boxes because we have cats in the family that all need a little present this Christmas. If you go by the name Lawrence O'Shea, you need to look away right now. These are some socks. Now, let me get across to you how good Homesense is for socks. And I always buy my family's socks from Homesense because they're always like nice design socks, but just a bit cheaper. So these are £7.99. I think I'm saying that right. Pepe James. I don't know, but they're really, really nice socks. Okay guys, so that is everything in terms of what's new decor wise. Sunday coming up, I will be doing another huge Christmas decorations haul because this is not even the half of the new stuff that I have actually got. But I will show you that on Sunday with a really, really exciting decorate my Christmas tree with me. So make sure you are subscribed for that and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I really hope you did. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you for all of your positivity and continuous support, and I will see you again very, 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 very soon. Bye.